Okay. Okay, so this morning we are here with myself and Mike, and Rich is back, and Mike from Vero is also back on his BMW. So I still got my Heritage. They are going to repair it, and something about bearings getting into something, blah, blah, blah. So shout out to Space Coast Harley, because they are fixing my bike. When they put it on the computer, it threw a code, some code that said we upgraded the engine, which they know we didn't do, and we know we didn't do. I bought the bike in December. They said it threw a code in February, never told us, rebuilt the engine in May. Then it blew again, and we are rebuilding it again. And they, both times, have honored our warranty because they know we haven't upgraded the bike. But we are going to take it a little bit further and find out why. When your bike throws a code and it really wasn't upgraded, like the tuner was not upgraded on my bike, and the computer's saying it is, and there's no changing that. So it voids the warranty on the motor, which is ridiculous since we paid for the warranty and it's not covering it, and they're eating the cost because we're good customers. But we still want to make it right because they should honor the warranty regardless of a glitch in their code. So anyway, we're at practice session number 40, I'm going to say 49. It's either 48 or 49, and we're here right at 7 o'clock because it's cool out here, and we're going to get started. So here we go.